Today we're doing the brain.
Okay, so part brain is hard to hold, but this is the frontal lobe up here. These two are the parietal lobes. The temporal lobes are on the sides right here, and the occipital lobe is back here, posterior side. And in the other brain, we're going to go through two brains for this. This is the frontal lobe, the parietal lobes, the temporal lobes on the sides, and the occipital lobe in the back. The longitudinal fissure is this crease right here between the hemispheres of the brain. And there's the longitudinal fissure in this one. The gyrus or the gyri are these little portions right here. And the sulci are the spaces in between the gyri or the gyrus. So that we have the sulci, the sulci spaces, and gyri, the good stuff. I don't remember. So the gyri and the sulci in there. The olfactory bulb on both of these, what makes you be able to smell, these are the olfactory bulbs on this part. And the optic nerves in this brain are right here. As you can see, if they were not cut off, they would extend out into the eyes. And right here, these two are the optic nerves. The optic chiasma is where this crosses right here and makes that X formation. And you can see that in this one as well. It makes the X formation, so the optic chiasma. The mammillary body are these two little dots right here. Can you see them, Emma? These two little white little dots right there. Mammillary body. And here, you can't, they're harder to see, but they're right in here, kind of their little indentations. The pineal gland, I cannot find that on these ones. Let me see. I don't think I can. No, it was too hard to see. It was tiny. Let's see if I have it in the picture. The pineal gland is right here. See, this is the pineal gland. It's tiny, kind of back towards the cerebellum. The infundibulum, when we open this, the infundibulum is kind of connects the cerebellum to this portion right here. So this is the infundibulum. This right here. Wait, that's not the infundibulum. Ignore that. This is the corpora quadrigemina, the superior and inferior. Superior and inferior. Yeah, the infundibulum is let me see, what is this thing? You look that one up on there.
It's like sticking out, remember?
Is it this?
Yeah, no, but it was more like
this one.
That one, yeah.
So the infundibulum is right here, we think. It's hard to identify. So the corpora quadrigemina, superior and inferior. Corpora quadrigemina, and the infundibulum is right here, kind of sticking out. Let me see if I can see it in this brain. Let's take it apart. So yeah, you have the corpora quadrigemina right here, and the infundibulum. So, the pons are these big bulbs right here, and on this one they're right here, the pons, and the medulla oblongata are right here, on this portion right here. So, pons, medulla oblongata, and here's pons and medulla oblongata. And the spinal cord is right here, you can see in the middle of the brainstem, right here running along. And this one, it's hard to see on this one, so we won't look at that. The cerebellum are these parts right here, and the arbor vitae are this tree-looking thing that kind of spreads out in the middle of the cerebellum. So it's on both portions. So in this brain, this is the cerebellum, and this is the